What's up, you guys? It's PipingJay. Been really busy in the kitchen this morning. We got us some beautiful homemade pot roast going. Oh yeah, coming together nicely, but I ended up with a whole bunch of targets. So let's set them up on the trash can on this rainy day and blow them away. Got the Barnett going, stronger band set, regular marbles. Does that count as 2 as 1? Not bad. Try it 2 more times before I'm completely soaked. Still got to work today, so I should get in, get dried off, finish this soup up. But that's a great way to take care of your trash. Cleaner world, cleaner place. Better for our children. Stay cool, you guys.